Hello all, I'm Renjitha George and I'm an English trainer. And I'm here today to give you a small introduction into my YouTube channel. So English is a language. It is not a subject, and it is to be dealt like a language. What we lacked was a practical application aspect of language learning. So we have multiple videos on YouTube telling us different techniques and amazing techniques on how to master skills in this language. But it just so happens that we are aware of the techniques, but we often lack the determination or the time or the perseverance to proceed with the actual acquisition of the skills. So this is where my role comes in. So what I'm trying to do is to present you with the technique as well as the follow-up action on the technique. So let's look at the first technique, that is shadowing. The first technique that I introduced in front of you was to shadow. That is simply to repeat after the speaker. And in my videos, you will see conversations wherein there'll be a definite pause, that is a space for you to shadow along with the speaker. The technique is introduced and you have the follow-up action. Now, all you have to do is keep practicing with my videos. Now, the second technique. So shadowing is the most proven technique, undoubtedly. And secondly, you might have heard many language trainers suggesting you to think in English. And yes, undoubtedly, this is also one of the best ways to master this language. Now, the technique is established, that is to think in English. Now, how do you do this? That's the problem that we encounter, right? Now, this is where my role comes in. I'm thinking of walking you through my regular rambling sessions. That is where I think in English. And I'm thinking of putting those as YouTube video so that you can think along with me and familiarize yourself with regular daily English phrases and sentences that you can use in order to translate your native language thoughts into English. So that makes the job easier for you. So here, I'm just training your mind voice to think in English, that's all. If you follow these two techniques, you can acquire skills in this language just the way you acquired skills in your mother tongue. And that's exactly what we are looking for. So this will establish confidence and fluency without any hassle. All right, so follow along. Let's make this happen together.